Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you were there? Or perhaps you've spent 10 minutes looking for the phone that was already in your hand. It's a frustrating, almost universal experience that makes us feel like our brains are broken. But what if I told you that forgetting isn't a flaw of the human mind, but actually one of its most important features? Today, we're diving into the science of why we forget and why your brain might be doing you a favor by clearing out the clutter. The human brain is a biological masterpiece, but it doesn't have infinite storage for every single detail of your life. To keep things running smoothly, our brains use a process called decay. Think of your memories like a path in a forest. If you walk the path every day, it stays clear and easy to follow. But if you stop using it, the grass grows over and eventually, the path disappears. This is how the brain deals with information it deems unnecessary. If you haven't thought about your high school locker combination in 10 years, your brain eventually deletes the path. To make room for things you actually need today, like your new Wi-Fi password. Another major reason we forget is interference. This happens when new information gets tangled up with old information. Imagine you've parked your car in the same lot every day for a year. If you park in a slightly different spot today, you might find yourself walking toward yesterday's spot instead. Your old memory is interfering with the new one. It just means your brain is struggling to distinguish between similar events. Sometimes, the problem isn't that we forgot the information, but that we never actually learned it in the first place. Scientists call this encoding failure. If you aren't paying close attention when someone tells you their name, your brain never stores that data in your long-term memory. It stays in your short-term memory for 30 seconds and then vanishes. You didn't actually forget, your brain just never hit the save button. Finally, there is motivated forgetting. Our brains are wired for survival and emotional well-being. Sometimes, we unconsciously suppress memories that are painful as a defense mechanism. It's the brain's way of trying to protect us from constant emotional distress. So, the next time you lose your keys or forget a date, don't be too hard on yourself. Your brain is a busy editor, constantly cutting out the deleted scenes to ensure the important parts stay in high definition.